Number. Scat liver is the largest organ. One of the largest organ of our body. The largest organ is skin, and it is a detox organ by itself. It detoxifies your blood and also helps in digestion. When we say detoxifying liver, means that we should see that liver function much healthier way. Now, liver doesn't accumulate toxins, only throws out the toxin. Most of the types, our liver gets damaged because of alcohol, because of excessive medicines, because of some infections and eating high-calorie diets for the efficient functioning of liver, and to protect liver from damage. Here are a few ways which you should keep in mind. First, turmeric. Turmeric is a wonder spice. It can really heal liver inflammation. It helps in boosting enzymes that can remove dietary toxins from the body, and thereby reduces the load on liver cells. So either you consume turmeric at night, by putting turmeric in milk and taking it, or in the morning, take little honey, put turmeric, make a paste and eat it. Second, milk, thistle's milk. Thistle is a wonder drug. It really shows quick recovery in the liver ailments. It helps in preventing the damage to the liver cells. The active ingredient in milk thistle is sin. It is a compound which has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. This is a plant which is not easily available in India. But nowadays, you can get this in a capsule form, and can be taken twice a day for a month, 200 milligrams capsule preferably, or you can even have its seeds in tea form. Third, garlic lesson. The sulfur compound in garlic activates liver enzyme, which helps in flushing out the toxins from the body. It has high amount of compound like lion and selenium, which protects liver from any toxic damage. Take 2 garlic cloves at night before going to bed. You can add garlic in your cooking. Fourth point, follow right food habits. According to AV, the digestion and metabolism in our body are carried out by 2 different fires. These different fires are called as agony, and pitta liver is a fiery organ. Anything fiery or hot is not good for liver. Alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, hot, spicy food, non-vegetarian food, chemicals in the packaged food and medicines. They are all not good for liver, as they are all fiery. According to a weather, certain things like aloe vera, neem, amla, Kerala haldi, all these things are used for boosting liver health. Avoid even processed foods and sugary drinks, because they all have trans fat. Not good for liver, it will make liver fatty. If you already have fatty liver, then minimize the consumption of dairy products. Consume good fat like almond walnuts, seeds like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, avocado. All these are wonderful. Eat more fruits, more vegetables for fiber. As fiber reduces stress on the liver, special consume green leafy vegetable like spinach and meaty. Green leafy vegetable contains compound which naturally detoxifies your liver. Beetroot, carrots and apples are also good for liver. Fifth, most importantly, yoga. Yoga techniques are the best means to enhance your liver function. Here are a few techniques which you must do every day. These accents can give a nice compression on liver and burn out excess liver fat. They are Yog Mudra Vyanan. They had no of a crossing, but she more than Nasan. And so the maskar to burn the excess fat, pranay like defragmented breathing, should be practiced every day, rather 23 times in a day. Pranayam so important, gives good oxygenation to your body. And basically praya, which is deer breathing, should be practiced really regularly every day, 34 times in a day. And that would work wonders. One of the major cause of liver problem is alcohol. Alcohol damages liver cells completely. And so what should be done? Avoid alcohol? What makes you really high? A very calm, composed, happy and energetic walking. Walk 5 to 6 kilometers a day every time. See to it that you do as such regularly. See that you eat the right type of food in your system, and try and see that you become more useful to others. Not living for yourself, with your own comforts and with your own little shop sofa with you. Try and see that you become more active, helping yourself, helping others. So when you start living this type of a life, You are really going to enjoy your life, your liver would be really safe, and you will enjoy a good health. Never got.